Welcome back. Well, it's a bazooka move is what we're seeing on the Nifty. We're almost at around the 23,000 odd mark. The markets are preparing for life about 23,000 as we speak. The Nifty Bank, just take a look at the shape that it's taken. Yesterday, we were staring at around 47,800, 47,500 as well today. We're up 1,300 points in two sessions from yesterday's low. Just take a look at today's screen, more than 1,000 point up. And that's the one that's really driving the Nifty higher. Well, Nimesh joins us to tell us what he's picking up in terms of D Street chatter. Nimesh?
Hi, Nigel. What a move for the markets, right? And the feedback from the dealing room is that while the Nifty markets are at record highs, the Bank Nifty has rallied pretty hard. But if you ask any trader on the street, they would have not made money. The overall market was quite light from a larger HNI perspective. They've reduced a lot of the positions in the market. FIs were net sellers, and now we are seeing a big big move in the markets today. Again, largely led by financials, and even in the financials, the FIs have been net sellers. The positions are quite light on the financial side of the market as well. So it's kind of a left out feeling as well, so to speak, Nigel, from today's move. I guess what led to this big short covering rally in financial is the big RBI dividend payout, which has been a big surprise to the street, and I guess that's led to a bit of a short covering rally in the banking stocks today. I guess what has led to this is largely all the domestic facing sectors have done well. The auto index is up 2%. So is the capital index as well. So looks like today's rally is largely domestic driven, banks, autos, financials, and for that matter the capital goods as well. The only space which has done a bit underperforming is the metal names, and some bit of individual pharma stocks are under pressure today. But looks like it's a very sharp short covering rally in the financials, which has led the markets to hit a fresh record highs, and big move in the large cap names as well.
Yeah, it's absolutely breathtaking. Just 12 points away from the next milestone, 23,000. Let's see. Really phenomenal. Nimesh, what about stocks? Anything specific that caught your eye?
Well, the first stock on my list today is Adani Enterprises. Normally, it doesn't come into my chatter list, but big move on that stock, up 7% last I checked. The volumes are on the higher side as well. There has been some bit of HNI buying, but I guess the big trigger for the stock to do well is the anticipation that maybe Adani Enterprise will replace Wipro in the sensex in the review, which is going to come in a day or two. So that's been the key reason for the big outperformance in Adani Enterprise today. The second stock is Vedanta. Well, the stock is under pressure today, but for the last couple of days, there is institutional based buying happening. And even in today's trade, while the stock is down, it's recovered from the lows, but there are buy flows, is what I understand from larger FIs in Vedanta. The third stock is BEL. We heard the management. There were a lot of upgrades as well from FI brokerages. But in general, in today's trade, there has been selling pressure. So it looks like after a big rally in BEL, some bit of profit booking is visible in today's market, especially from larger FIs in that name as well. And the last is Engineers India. We've seen a bit of rotation in the PSUs as well. This stock stands out today. Good volumes from larger HNI is what I understand. And some large HNI investors seems to be quite active buyer as well in Engineers India. And in fact, the feedback is technically to above 270, 273. It's a multi-year breakout as well on Engineers India.
Okay, thank you very much for that. In fact,